Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to leave alliance in lands of jail. Leaving an alliance in lands of jail is pretty straightforward, but there are some things you want to be careful about. First, go ahead and open your alliance menu from the main screen, where you can see your alliance details and members. Once you're inside, look for the settings option, which is usually located in the bottom right corner near the member list. Before you press anything, make sure you're fully aware that leaving an alliance will mean losing all the bonuses that come with being a member, including alliance technology boosts, assistance from the other members, and any contributions you've made. It's a good idea to double check that you have a plan to either join another alliance or rejoin your current one if it's open to new members. Once you're certain, press the Leave Alliance button, which is located right below your ranking, and your exit will be immediate. After that, you're no longer part of the alliance, and all associated benefits will be gone, so make sure you're ready before confirming. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.